Are you ready to unlock the secrets of real estate wealth? Discover the strategies that can transform your financial future. We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Navigating the world of real estate investment can be challenging, especially when choosing between fix and flip and buy and hold strategies. Each approach offers distinct benefits and considerations that can significantly impact your financial success. The fix and flip strategy focuses on buying properties that need repair, renovating them, and selling them quickly for a profit. According to a report by Adam Data Solutions, the average gross profit on a fix and flip home in 2023 was around $66,000. However, this approach also carries higher risks due to potential renovation costs and market fluctuations. On the other hand, the buy and hold strategy involves purchasing properties to rent them out over a long period. This strategy generates steady rental income and benefits from property value appreciation over time. Research from the National Association of Realtors shows that real estate values tend to rise about 3 to 5% annually. Before diving into real estate investing, it's crucial to clarify your financial goals. Are you looking for quick profits or long-term income? Knowing this will guide your choice between fix and flip and buy and hold strategies. Conduct thorough market research to know local real estate trends. Look for areas with rising property values or neighborhoods undergoing revitalization. For fix and flip investors, identifying homes in desirable locations that are undervalued can significantly increase profit margins. Meanwhile, buy and hold investors should focus on areas with a high rental demand to ensure steady income. For those interested in the fix and flip strategy, having a clear understanding of renovation costs is essential. Many new investors underestimate these expenses, leading to unexpected financial strain. Networking is crucial in real estate investment, regardless of the strategy you choose. Building relationships with real estate agents, contractors, and fellow investors can provide insights and opportunities. Understanding the tax implications of each strategy can help maximize profits. Fix and flip investors may face higher short-term capital gains taxes on profits made from quick sales. Buy and hold investors can benefit from lower long-term capital gains rates and potential deductions on mortgage interest and property management expenses. When choosing the buy and hold strategy, it's essential to evaluate a property's potential for appreciation. Look for indicators such as planned infrastructure developments or new businesses moving into the area. Effective management is key to success in both strategies. For fix and flip investors, keeping a close eye on renovation timelines and budgets is crucial. Buy and hold investors must manage tenants effectively to ensure consistent rental income. Fix and flip investments offer significant benefits for real estate investors looking to make quick profits. One of the main advantages is the potential for high returns, with average gross profits around $66,000 in 2023. Buy and hold properties offer several advantages that can lead to long-term financial growth and stability. One of the most significant benefits is the potential for steady rental income, providing financial security. Exploring distressed and rehab properties on growthsense.com can be a game changer for real estate investors. Unlock the potential of real estate investment and transform your financial future. Visit growthsense.com today.